Hello, today we'll be looking at Rast Sounds plugin called the Sounds of Mars. I think this is a very good plugin for composers, especially in the sci-fi genre. I think that this plugin will be very good for films as well, and good for sci-fi films. I can totally imagine this plugin being used for films like Dune or Blade Runner. It has a bunch of sounds, and I think it'll be very useful for a composer to use. Thank you for watching. Okay, so we'll be testing out the Sounds of Mars using the Contact plugin that helps bring in other outside software in a manageable way. So here, let's test out the blue side because that's more of the effects such as wind or whatnot, whereas the orange is more of where the melody is. Since I don't have a MIDI keyboard, I'll be using my mouse at the moment. As you can say, it's pretty spooky sound. I can imagine using that in a science fiction film before like a spaceship is moving off into a planet. Let's look over here. So that kind of sound, I'm thinking more of Blade Runner or 80s kind of styles, but there are different things that you can add to the effect of it. So that's like more of a delay, the wormhole aspect. We put that down. Look at this. It's kind of very spooky as well. Let's see. Very interesting effect right there. And I don't have my MIDI keyboard at the moment because it's broken, but you can probably combine this and then this sound at the same time, which I think gives a better effect for that. It's a really nice sound. Let's do this one. Kind of drum sounds. As you can see there, that's really all the effects. This would be really useful for like a science film, for instance. I think, um, you know. So yeah, pretty cool. That's the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this plugin. It's a pretty good plugin for film composers.